Hey, what's up, traders? Update for the USDJPY. So yesterday I was calling that we are expecting the drop. We are actually expecting the drop all the way down to the 113.897. And what basically happened is that it started to do. So we have this removal of the zone. So what's happening right now? We had the power accumulated in here, price dropped down, it has removed previous zone, which has created new zone, and now the price is retracing back to the level. So in here I will be monitoring the lower time frames to bring the price down here. So definitely I'm bearish. COT showing the bearishness as well, and yeah, all looks good. So definitely 15-minute time frames for the entry. Once I will see nice volume entering on the tops, and then some break of the structure for the potential entry, and that's quite nice distance with around 80 pips to drop down. Okay, so I'm definitely bearish on this one, and we will see how it will play out. Good luck, my friends.